What up, Brap gang? It's your boy Brap Genius, and today I got a little surprise for you guys. I want to let you guys know what's been going on in my life, give a little update, and yeah, I got a new bike, so let's check it out. Before I get into specifically what the bike is, I have my reasoning for doing this. You're going to see in the next video, I'm going to explain why I did what I did. You probably figured that I was done with switching bikes, which I thought I was too, but anybody that rides bikes know if you see a certain bike and you know it's you, you know you got to go for it. So I actually ended up trading my KTM with a little bit of extra cash on top for this bike, and I think a lot of you guys are going to be happy with what it is. So ready? Let's check it out. Ready? Alright guys, here it is. It is a 2003 YZ250 two-stroke. Now you may be wondering why I wanted this bike. A lot of you guys know, I'm sure you've seen the video how to ride a dirt bike. That was the first bike I ever owned. It was a 2002 YZ125, and I absolutely loved that bike. So as to why I traded it, like I said, that's going to be in the next video. I'll do a little update for you guys. It's got a stock exhaust. There's a lot of stuff that I want to do to this bike. I'm going to do a bike build of it, and I'm going to take you guys with me for it. So hopefully you guys would like to see that. Let me know in the comments what you think of the bike, and let me know what you want to see me do with the bike, because I already have my ideas in my head of what I want to do. So long story short, I was looking through Facebook Marketplace, saw the bike, really stuck out to me and spoke to me, and I decided, you know, let me hit the guy up and see what we could do. So the story of how that happened is going to be in the next video with me riding the bike itself. Alright, so I'll do a quick startup for you guys, let you hear the bike. Like I said, the exhaust is stock, but you know, nothing beats the sound of a two-stroke, so I'll start it up for you. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah, we're gonna get ready for a new bike build, so I hope you guys are ready for the ride. As always, guys, have a great day. Peace.